Hey everyone, if your video exported from HandBrake has no sound, missing audio, or audio not working at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake audio issues so your sound comes back properly. First, check your original video file. Play it in a media player and make sure the audio is actually there before you start converting. Next, open HandBrake and go to the Audio tab. Make sure at least one audio track is selected because sometimes it gets disabled by mistake. Now choose the correct audio codec like AAC. Using the wrong codec or accidentally removing the track can result in no sound in the final output. Check the mixdown settings as well. Set it to stereo or auto so the audio is properly balanced and not muted. Try resetting your preset settings. Sometimes custom presets remove audio tracks or misconfigure encoding options. If it still doesn't work, update or reinstall HandBrake. Older versions can contain bugs that affect audio encoding and output. Finally, re-encode your video and test it in a media player. This will confirm whether the audio issue has been fully fixed or not. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake audio not working. Follow each step carefully and your videos should have clear sound again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right.